It was at this moment that I spotted my first big five, and what a sight to behold! Standing and grazing majestically is the 29-year-old white rhino named Dubai. Big, powerful, and completely focused on his evening meal. He moves with strength and presence that commands respect. Now, did you know that rhinos can weigh up to 2,300 kilograms, making them one of the heaviest land mammals on Earth? And despite their size, they can actually run up to 50 kilometers per hour, faster than you could even expect. But please do not be fooled. While rhinos are extremely dangerous if threatened, they may look calm while grazing, but their incredible speed, sharp horn, and sheer power makes them capable of charging anything that comes too close to them.